Hello friends, Kiyomi Amy here, and today I'll be unboxing VIXX's album, Kratos, or Kratos, not sure how it's supposed to be pronounced, the third and final album of the Conception trilogy. So let's take a look. It's the front, back, that looks like Ken, but I'm not sure. Ooh. Fancy. Finally got an N card. I never get N. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, is this the hologram thing? Oh man. Ooh, I'm excited to use this thing. Well, you've grown up. Please focus. Thank you. Hi there. How are you doing? So pretty. Alright, so that thing's cool. I'm excited to use that. More stuff. Okay, so that was VIXX's album, Kratos. Anyways, thank you for watching. If you like this video and you want to watch more like it, go ahead and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.